Hi everyone. In this presentation, we will go over our project, a professional investment assistant called Billionaires.ai. We're a team of 4 Harvard students with unique backgrounds in data science and computer science. We all have different tech stacks, and that makes us a great team. So we had this product objective of creating a professional, real-time, and visualization-rich solution for individual investors of all levels. And I'll dive deeper into how we initiated this idea. So we first thought about how are we going to differentiate with ChatGPT, which is already very powerful. When we use ChatGPT, we know that it can already provide real-time search results, and it can help summarize relevant information. However, it cannot guarantee that the sources are reliable, which is very important in a financial context. So we wanted our tool to be reliable enough to get all of this information from reliable sources, and the users will be able to trust our responses 100%. We also wanted to provide professional and helpful advice, sounding like a real financial expert. And then we also wanted to provide intuitive visualizations because those can enhance understanding of the answers. Next slide. So our product have 4 unique abilities. First one is that it gets real-time data. All information, including stock prices and news, is based on real-time information fetching. Second, we provide reliable sources of information. So instead of searching the entire internet like what GPT does, we will use Yahoo Finance APIs to ensure the reliability of our information. Third is that we are very professional in that this model is fine-tuned to specialize in financial analysis and recommendations. Lastly, our tool is visualization rich. So we will provide plots and diagrams whenever possible to enhance understanding of the generated answers. So this is just a quick demo of what our tool can do, such as stock price fetching, company information, etc. We will also have a more comprehensive demo in the following content.
All right, this is our technical architecture. We rely on GCP for computation resources and deployment. And we also use GitHub for code development, including CI/CD, and we use Streamlit for front end. There are several challenges we face. First of all, the agent framework we use, by data, is with very high level abstraction, and it always gets updated, which means like a lot are not within our control, and it is very hard for us to debug. Secondly, and we use Kubernetes and for GCP deployment. However, all of our systems are Mac, but Kubernetes on GCP require Linux system, and so again, it is really difficult for us to debug it. Lastly, the language model we use does not always follow the prompt. Regardless, we change the temperatures. To make our response reliable, trustworthy, there are a lot of prompt engineering we did.
Great. Now it is the demo time. We have deployed our Billionaires AI on this IP address, and this is our UI UX here. It's simple, elegant, and beautiful. So let's me demo how it does work. First of all, let's to show some media news this week, and then some expert analysis on this stock. It can show you the abstract of the news, the images, and links that you can click in to view the details. It can also show you the experts analysis on Yahoo Finance, such as like how many experts will actually to buy and how many say this is not a good idea. And then it can also plot the stock price for multiple company in the given time frame for you to give it a better visualization. Lastly, it can be customized. For example, if I'm a new grad with 10K to invest, I'm interested in tech and healthcare sectors, it can give you some personalized opinions on what should you buy and some long-term focus, risk management, and consultation. So this is a very powerful tool, and we hope you enjoy this.
Yes. And finally, we are going to mention some future work of our project. So firstly, we can have a better UI. So we can improve our UI to include like the user menu and some personal details, including chat history. And we also can develop a external API integration for the other developer from different places to use our API that they can get an answer from our platform. And we can also add more functionalities. We can include a functionality as the dashboard, portfolio return tracking, etc. And finally, we can also, based on the feedback from the user, to do the further improvement on our platform. Okay, that's all for our presentation. Thanks, future billionaires.